Hi Peggy, I just took this now out of the box. Yeah, that's the way all these are. You can see, let's see here. There's the blade, and kind of right when it touches the red pad, okay, just touched it, and you can see how high it is up on this side. That's the way they are designed. They're designed to come down at a slight angle, and then it works its way into the pad and kind of like a cutting action. It slips into it and pulls back slightly as you pull down harder on the blade, and it starts, the blade actually starts going backwards, as you can see. It's designed, and I think what your problem is you went to a new side of the cut pad, and these cut pads are hard, and you got a dull blade. And the problem is, when you first get these, you got to kind of work your blade into the cut pad to get it completely into it. But that's the way it is designed. It's designed to come down and touch over here. Let's see. Right there it's touching. As you can see, you go down the blade, and look how much of a gap it's got there. That's normal, and I'll show you a cut to show it cuts good. You just need a new blade, and it will work its way into the cut pad good, and you shouldn't have a problem. Great. Give me a second. This just came out of the box, so I gotta flip this around. I'm not gonna put the screw on it. And I'll just do a quick cut here. You see, it goes right through it easily. That's just the way it's designed. It hits that side first, and it comes down and slides back like a cutting action and just slices through it. If it just came down flat, it would have a lot harder time cutting through the paper. It comes down at a slight angle and then slips back to cut the rest of it. But that's the way it's designed. You do want to change your blade because you are cutting cardstock, and cardstock is the hardest paper, is the paper that will dull these blades the fastest. And if you use your cutter a long time with a dull blade, what you start doing is sorry, my hand's in the way. What you do is you start cranking down on this harder and harder to keep the paper from shifting, because your blade is dull and it's not cutting through it good. And when you start cranking down on this clamp harder and harder, you're going to wear out or damage your clamp. So it's always a good idea to keep a nice sharp blade on there. You will go through blades faster cutting a lot of cardstock though. But that is normal the way yours is. That's the way all these are. Again, I'll show you on this. And that just cut through a nice stack there. You can see right there's where it touched the pad, and you can see how much it's up right there. It's up quite a bit, and that's normal. All right, I'll send this video to you.